Hi there, it's Jacqueline from Homeworks Etc. And I am super excited to introduce our new Homeworks Etc. acrylic craft paint. We're going to be featuring them in a few of our Easter DIY kits, and you can see that this pastel palette includes some beautiful colors, and our projects here are our stacking blocks. It does come with this plush gnome. That is the only way right now that you can purchase the gnome is with the kit. And isn't it adorable? It's awesome for all ages. So we have a lot of adults who have purchased our DIY Club subscription box. This is a $35 price point, and you can purchase it for one time for $40 as well. And then we have our Love My Peeps. Again, it features 5 of our beautiful colors. We have our buttercup yellow, our pure white, our robin's egg blue, lilac, as well as, what did I miss? Blush. And I'm probably blushing right now. Anyways, check out our website at homeworksetc.ca, and happy Easter, happy creating.